Welcome back on Info for Triply, and you are watching a series on basics of MATLAB programming. This is 24th video of this series in which we will discuss about 3D plot in MATLAB, and you are with Paramjit Singh Jamwal. First of all, we will discuss why to create 3D plot. Suppose we have a harmonic spectrum of 3 level line voltage and harmonic spectrum of 5 level line voltage, and we want to combine these two plots together. Then for that purpose we can create its 3D plot. To create its 3D plot, we need to create this table by extracting the data from both the harmonic spectrum, and about which we have already discussed in our 23rd video of this series. So now moving towards the practical session on MATLAB. In this video, we will continue the MATLAB program we have created in our 23rd video. So first of all, open that MATLAB program and save this MATLAB program with different name. As this is the MATLAB program for 3D plot, so update its heading accordingly. To create 3D plot, the size of the matrix having extracted values should be same, as the PV matrix has 2 rows and 6 columns, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So size of the SV should be equal to the size of PV, and we will equal the size of SV with PV by repeating the row element 6 times. So we will copy 250 and repeat it by 6 times, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And similarly we need to increase the second row by pasting 506 times. So 2 times already there, 3, 4, 5, 6. To create 3D plot, we also need another matrix that has the harmonic orders. So just copy this matrix and paste this matrix and rename as HO, that stands for harmonic order, and replace its element by its harmonic order 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and copy these elements and also paste in second row. And it stands for harmonic order. In next part of the program, we will add the function to create 3D plot, and for that purpose surf function is used, surf. Here we will plot it against harmonic order, step voltage and plot voltage. So HO will be plotted at x-axis, SV will be plotted as y-axis, and PV will be plotted at z-axis, and you can change its order as per your requirement. And it stands for 3D plot. In third part of the program, we will do minor changes, as it is 3D plot labeling. So mark it accordingly. X level stands for harmonic order, it is correct. Y level, it stands for step voltage, so we will add step voltage. And third, Z level correspond to percentage voltage, so we will update accordingly, percentage voltage. Now our program is ready. Just save this program and run this program. This is the basic version of 3D plot. If we want to improve its quality, so we will use one more function, that is shading. and there's different type of shading are available. I am using INTERP. For another type of shadings, you can simply type help space shading and you will find other type of version available in shading. So now again save this program and run this program. Now you can see that our plot has been improved by beautiful color shading. There's one more thing also required, which is color bar. To add that color bar to differentiate these values, simply add one more command in the program, and that is color bar. And you can write it here. It will display color bar. And this command is updating color shading mode. So again save this program and run this program, and here you can clearly see that a shading color bar is added, which differentiate that yellow correspond to one value and dark blue correspond to 0 value. So this is sufficient for today. I am thankful to ABM Apexel for his appreciating words. If this video is useful to you, then like and share it. If you have any query or suggestions, then let me know through your comments. If you want to get the notification about our upcoming videos, then subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. Thank you for being with us.